Alright, here you go. We got the full self-driving mode on. It's actually signaling to go to Golfland here. And right now it says it's just going to the parking lot. So I didn't change to what I wanted it to do, if I wanted it to find a parking spot or whatever. Okay, it's turning left over here. Now your destination is on the left. And I don't think it's going to park. I think it's just going to... Oh, is it going in the parking spot? It is a parking spot. So I don't know if it's actually parking or what's happening, but it's kind of going in the parking. Is it going to repark? Oh, it's going to park itself. You see that? It automatically went into reverse and it's parking. Nice. So that's cool. All right, go away, scammers. Okay, so it auto parked itself and then it automatically went into park. So now if I were to tell it to go home, and let's see what I have for the options. So if I start self-driving, oh, it's going to back up as well on its own. If I go into this menu here, you can see it has all these options. Sloth, chill, standard, hurry, and Mad Max. Then you have the park. You can tell it to park at the curbside if you want. Okay, so if you can do park, you can do curbside, and then you can tell it to park at the charger, you can tell it to park at a parking lot, or you can tell it to street park. So I don't know what's the difference between curbside and street park. Isn't that the same thing? I don't know. Anyways, we'll let it do what it wants and let's see what happens. It says it's going to go to a charger, which I do have a charger in my driveway, but I don't know if that's because I'm just telling it to go to my house. So I don't know if it's going to park in the driveway at the house or if it's only for like big areas with parking lots. So let's see what happens if it's actually going to park the vehicle.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Hillview Drive.
Alright, and on freeway speeds, because I put Rain-X on the vehicle, you can see how the water droplets are kind of going up. Oh, it doesn't want to go on the right? Okay. So it saw the dotted lines and then it kept going straight and then it decided the dotted lines is where it should move into the right lane, which is correct. But let's see. A lot of times I would go in there anyways. Okay, there's no cars coming, but I think it... Oh, wait. It was waiting for that car. It could have gone, but I guess it wanted to wait since they have right away. But they had a red light that was staying, so it stayed longer than it needed to be safe. I mean, it is in sloth mode, so that could be why. All right. It's doing really well. This is with rain. I wonder if I can turn the windshield wiper off. What would happen? Oh wait, okay, let's see. Oops, I forgot I have to use the left wheel to turn that off. Okay, so I turned off the wipers. Let's see if it's gonna complain because it's raining. It let me turn off the wipers even though it's in self-driving mode.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right. Now your destination is on the right.
Alright, and let's see. Is it going to actually park? It's signaling. Is it going to know how to get in the driveway? Oh, it's going in the driveway. Okay, it's like in the middle of the driveway though. That's not good parking. Now we can only fit one car in the entire driveway. But okay, it brought me home and it parked. So that's good. I'm going to park correctly now, but it did a good job. It was able to park on its own. You'll probably have to fix the parking yourself if your driveway doesn't have lines in it or something. But there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see it do more driving or whatever, I'll do more in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.